बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कंपैरेटिव लिटरेचर के एमसीक्यू, हाउ कंपैरेटिव लिटरेचर केम इनटू बीइंग, चैप्टर नंबर 1। कंपैरेटिव लिटरेचर हैव फर्स्ट इमर्ज इन फ्रांस। जो बोल्ड किया हुआ है इसका आंसर है अराउंड द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द 19th सेंचुरी के। ये 19th सेंचुरी में पहली बार फ्रांस में इमर्ज हुआ। एमसीक्यू नंबर 2। According to American critic, French school concept of comparative literature, option D, is colored by binary studies. MCQ number 3. According to the French comparative, the movement of the idea, a theme or an image for a literary text to another is called reception. Literary influence, borrowing, non-literary influence. Fourth option, non-literary influence. MCQ number 4. French comparative believe that, option C, indirect influence can take place through translation. MCQ number 5. French comparative believe that, option D, reception can be taken as a step on the road to influence. MCQ number 6. The founding father of the American School of Comparative Literature is Henry. MCQ number 7. American School Comparative believe that, option C, comparison can be made between two or more different literature and between literature and other disciplines. MCQ number 8. Parallelism refer to delineate between the literature of different people regardless of direct relations. MCQ number 9. Intertextuality refers to, option A, a particular theme, story or myth that can be repeated in different ways. MCQ number 10. Abdul Sabar does not show much interest in myth. Instead, he uses dash to link the past with the present. Option C, historical figures. MCQ number 12. ये 12. Comparative literature is most closely related to which of the following? World literature. MCQ number 13. Of the following might be a logical title of a work in cultural studies? Option B, the symbolism of text in poetry. Option B. MCQ number 14. What is one reason comparative literature may look at several language and literary traditions at once? Option B, comparative literature only study work that have been translated. MCQ number 15. Author of the words A Politics of Culture, a theoretical statement about new historicism, is dash. Option B. MCQ number 16. These books, which one have not been written by Option D. MCQ number 18. Imaginative biography of the famous was attempted by. Option B. MCQ number 19. Paintings make an appearance in which of the following novels? Option B. Question number 20. MCQ number 20. Don't have been used by Eliot. James, which appeared in 1762. MCQ number 2. Cultural colonialism was also a form of comparative literature. Clara also refers to the nation of spirit. The key word in the text is influence. Answer is influence. The term in 1846, language in our nationality, coined by Joseph. MCQ number 5. Volume of History of Bohemia appear in 1836. MCQ number 7. Translation as a significant part of the development of the literature set by. Option B. MCQ number 8. Binary comparative literature is a mixture of French and Italian. Option A. MCQ number 9. New World comparative literature is basically. Option A. Western literature force on the literature if different areas by studying their similarities. MCQ number 11 and 11. The prison house of language of Frederick was of account of both A and B. MCQ number 12. The main key of Remark's theory is process. Signal appeared in 1762. MCQ number 14. Comparative literature study could take place between dash language, two language. MCQ number 15. Steve Jobs is revolutionary scholar. Option C. MCQ number 16. Comparative literature is most closely related to which of the following? World literature. MCQ number 17. Author of Towards a Politics of Culture, a theoretical statement about new historicism is. Option B. MCQ number 18. The book of comparative literature entitled as Course D Literature Compares was published in 1860. Option C. MCQ number 19. The comparative study of literature is used by compare. Option B. MCQ number 20. Which thing played a key role in pattern of influence? Translation. MCQ number 1. Southern Allusion University in 1961 published an essay in comparative literature. Option C. Common equality manifest in all holding them together is proposed by the famous writer. Option A. The Peruvian House of Language of Frederick was of account of A and B. Development of Russian formalism. Option B. Structuralism of Russian formalism. Number 4. Comparative literature associate of Indian state. Start the main object if comparative study in 1981. Binary comparative literature is a mixture of French and Italian. MCQ number 6. Old World comparative literature emphasis on the both A and B, and forcing and documenting. MCQ number 7. Which of the following playwrights plays were often tough in United States and Britain? Option C. Ibsen. MCQ number 8. Irish literature should not be separated from English literature. Says option C. MCQ number 9. Began to give way to the employment specialist. Option C. Polymath. The growth of comparative literature as a subject through the dash was paradoxically parallel 19th century. Remarks deliberately choose an approach that is not historical or dash but rather descriptive. And MCQ number B. Which literature should not be compared with the Western literature? Indian literature. MCQ number 13. How draws the intent of the reader to the danger of imposing one system on another? Option A. MCQ number 14. Johnson argues that there are dash main forms of research in cultural studies. 3 main forms. The 3 main branches of literary studies in history, criticism, and history. Answer number 16. Play's contemporary right is option A. Answer number 17. Literary theory has now become the growth area of literary study in Western Europe and in the United States. MCQ number 18. Professor of comparative literature at Harvard in the 1890s. Author. Option A. MCQ number 19. Founding father and Alpha propose a non-nationalistic model, antipodal comparative literature. Binary comparative literature sees French and Italian literature.